Hello everyone, this is Fire Alarm Test 21, and today we're going to be testing my Wheelock 7002T horn strobe. This is the 12 volt model of the Wheelock 7002T, and the full model number is Wheelock 7002T-12. As you can see, it is mostly A34T horn. To make it a 7002T, all they did was just add a strobe on the top. They stick it in and wire it in series. So you could basically see the horn according to these holes in these four corners right here. That's where the sound comes out. And this is mostly filled in. Like the Wheelock 7002 would have not all this filled in. It would just have these lines and it kind of does like a spider web almost, or a waffle. Let's flip it over to the back. So this is basically all you see back here. Here's your terminals right here. The top one's the negative, the bottom one's the positive, and in here is your hammer right here, but I can't basically stick my finger in there because my finger is a little bit too big to fit. And you got your sound adjustment on the side. I had to adjust this when I bought it to get the horn exactly at the right sound, so I tested this once off camera, and it was really cool. And here's your label right here. This is basically your label. If my camera wants to focus on it, there it goes. All right. Series 7002T, 12 volts DC, 0.125 amps, and the strobe is 0.5 candela. And there's your, this is the tag right here, the sticker. Yeah, and the strobe is 0.5 candela. And you got your transformer right here. This is basically your coil assembly. And basically, the strobe is wired in series for the hammer. That's what basically causes your skip. So what happens is the horn sounds, the strobe flashes at the same time, and the strobe is taking power away from the horn. When the horn is sounding at the same time, when power is being added through these terminals, the strobe takes power away from the horn. So the strobe takes power away, like it sucks up so much power, and it takes power away, draw energy to the horn. That's what causes this thing to skip, which is definitely amazing. It's pretty interesting how they designed this alarm. And here's a date code right here inside the box assembly right here underneath the terminals, but the date code is like 287. It's kind of faded off, and all behind this fancy stuff is your sounder plate. That's what you saw in the four corners. The sounder plate is part of the horn, and there's your little pulsing hammer in there, but I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you could see your little pulsing hammer in there. Let's flip it back over to the front. And you got your fire lettering at the top. So the strobe the strobe is only 0.5 candela, which means the strobe on this unit is not very bright at all. So that's basically how the 7002T was designed to skip. Alright, we're already 4 minutes in the video. Let's go to the testing portion, because this is a 2-wire alarm actually. Here we go. Okay, I got the device hooked up, and now for the sounding part of the test. And guys, I'm gonna throw something in the video. I might disappoint you guys slightly, but it's nothing too serious. My batteries are a little bit low on energy, so the 7002T should sound just fine. Hopefully I record the video, so it's basically gonna sound the same as other Wheelock 7002Ts out there. So we're gonna sound the horn, and the strobe is gonna flash, and here we go. And we're gonna celebrate Fire Alarm Test 21 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoops. There we go. That was pretty cool. Well, it is slightly underpowered, but that's okay though, guys. If I had full battery, then this would sound a lot better. Well, I'm glad you guys were able to hear this device. If I have some good batteries, then I would make another video of this thing. I might make another video of this thing for a demonstration, like demonstration purposes. So if I get some new good batteries, then this would sound a lot better. It doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't sound too bad when the batteries are a little bit low, but luckily it sounded pretty good during the video portion part of the test. So I hope you guys were able to enjoy this alarm. I hope you guys enjoyed this Wheelock 7002T. It is slightly underpowered because the batteries are a little bit low. It certainly does not hurt the alarm. It's not going to hurt the alarm if the batteries are slightly underpowered. It's just not going to work very well if the batteries are way too low. So, hope you guys enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 21, and I hope you guys enjoyed it of the Wheelock 7002T horn strobe, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. And I'll be making more fire alarm videos pretty soon. So, I'm sorry for not making much fire alarm tests because I've been really busy, and it is December 23rd, and it's almost Christmas. So I made this video for you guys for Christmas, so hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll be making more fire alarm tests pretty soon. Hope you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 21. And that's it.